Welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, today we are talking about my video received a copyright claim. This is one of the videos. I'll come and I'll be able to view the options to remove the copyright claim. So once we come, this is the email that I received. A copyright claim was received, was created on the content. This is the name of the video. Then we can see a copyright owner using the content ID has claimed some material in your video. So it means the owner of the remix, the music that was in the background, has claimed it. It tells me that my video will still be live. Will be live. The video is live, and the visibility setting you selected remains applied to it. So it means if I'm say had already shared it to be available in the public, it's already in the public. But it is either being monetized by the copyright owner or has chosen to receive analytics about it. So it means the person who claimed the content ID is either being he's now either being monetized, but it is now either being monetized by the copyright owner or has chosen to receive analytics about it. So they tell me also that when choosing to the music to the next video, you can avoid copyright related issues by picking our songs from YouTube audio library. So at least we are very guided. We'll come here and be able to we can see content ID claim on your video does not affect your channel. This is not a copyright strike. But you say that the owner now is able to monetize this content and is also receiving metrics. We have this is the remix. We don't want to play it because once we play it, it will be able to he might even claim this video again. We'll come and select the options. The action that we want to take, we want to completely mute the song. Once we tell YouTube algorithm to mute the song, it will be able to mute all the sound when it plays. We have two options. We can either remove all the sound in the video while claim song plays. This option is usually faster and more likely to remove the claim. We remove all the sound while the clip still plays. We can remove the claimed song only, keeping the rest of the sound. These options usually take a longer and might not work if the sound is hard to remove. So we'll say mute all the sound and the clips to continue playing. We'll be able to say continue, and we have mute all the sound when the song plays. This process might take a process. If we are able to mute the copyrighted song, we will update any viewing or monetization restriction on your video. The video remains in its current status until the process is complete. We'll say okay. Once we click OK, I think now we are good to go. We've updated the status. I know they've said once they're able to mute the song that is playing, that had been the content ID had been claimed, we'll be able to continue monetizing the video and we'll get the video metrics of this video. It is taking a while to process. If you find this tutorial useful, ensure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lifestyle tutorials. Thank you.